Hobbies repair your brain and restore attention in the digital age. Core idea, excessive screen use and social media consumption are rewiring the brain, reducing attention span, weakening memory, and decreasing enjoyment of real life. Hobby felt reversed is damaged by restoring attention span, rebalancing the brain's reward system, improving mood and mental health, increasing brain function and long-term cognitive health. Hobbies provide slow, healthy dopamine, which retrains the brain to enjoy real-world experiences. The problem: screen consumption is rewiring the brain. Key fact: the average person spends 7 hours per day on screen. This level of stimulation affects the brain function. Effects of excessive screen use: shortened attention span, reduced cognitive function, digital anhedonia. Dopamine and brain rewiring. Dopamine is the brain's reward chemical. Dopamine creates feelings of motivation, reward, pleasure. Social media produces large, fast dopamine spikes. The brain adapts through homeostasis, the brain's balancing system. When dopamine is overstimulated, the brain reduces dopamine sensitivity. This is called downregulation. The result is real life feels less rewarding. After overstimulation, normal activities feel boring. This creates dependence on digital stimulation. Hobbies repair the brain. They restore balance to the brain's reward system. They provide slow dopamine, time meaning satisfaction. Social media is junk food dopamine. Hobbies are whole food dopamine. One overstimulates, the other nourishes. Hobbies improve mood, happiness, physical health, life satisfaction, brain structure benefits. Certain hobbies increase brain volume. Art and music improve memory and reduce dementia risk. Hobbies is behavioral replacement. Hobbies work like habit replacement therapy. Example: smoking cessation. Instead of removing behavior, we entirely replace it. Same principle applies to social media. Instead of scrolling, replace with hobby. This reduces dependence naturally. A deeper psychological benefit: eudaimonia, and human flourishing, deep fulfillment from meaningful activities. This is different from short-term pleasure. Hobbies create purpose, flow, meaning. Choose hobby based on effort, recovery, theory. Life goals out by known where efforts as a recovery mode. Rest, rebuilding mental energy. Hobbies help recovery. 4 questions: choose the right hobby. Does it help you disconnect from work? Does it create flow? Flow is complete immersion. Does it reduce stress? Does it feel enjoyable? Does it allow progress? Does it build skill? Does it give autonomy? Does it provide independence from work identity? Important rule: do not turn every hobby into work. Monoculture pressures people purge your hobbies into side hustles. This reduces enjoyment. Hobbies should exist for enjoyment, growth, and recovery, not productivity. Maintaining hobbies across multiple categories improves overall well-being. Some hobbies are creative hobbies, intellectual hobbies, well-being hobbies, and social connection hobbies. How to start, experiment. That's hobbies is small trials. Try 1 or 2 sessions if enjoyable. Continue, if not, try something else. This prevents pressure and increases discovery. Research shows engagement level predicts benefit more than hobby type. The best hobby is one you enjoy. Replace 30 minutes of social media with 30 minutes of hobby activity. Problem: social media overstimulates dopamine. Movies reduce focus and reduce enjoyment. Solution: hobbies restore dopamine balance. Improve attention, improve mood, improve brain health. Social media damages attention and reward system. Hobbies restore function. Replace scrolling with hobbies. This improved focus, improved happiness, improved brain health. Social media regions your brain's